Hello everyone, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on our Unclaimed ECGs and ABPM tool. This tool is easily accessible from the navigation bar. Simply go to the Unclaimed STCs tools and you'll see Unclaimed ABPMs and ECGs integrated. This tool takes advantage of the features of integrated ECGs and ABPMs. These types of devices integrate directly with your practice management software, meaning that whenever a recording is taken with the patient, there is an entry within the patient file in the practice management system. This is a very useful feature as it enables MedVault to screen ECGs and ABPM interactions and to cross-reference that with your payment on a monthly basis to identify cases where an ECG or ABPM device recording may have been made with a patient, but there doesn't appear to be any equivalent payment. Once we've identified these cases, we list them here for you to easily review, providing all the details necessary. So all the patient details. We also provide the consultation notes taken with the patient on that particular day, so you can see if there is an edge case scenario and the device didn't work or was faulty in that particular day, it is normally reflected with the notes. In this particular case, it looks like it's all good, so we'll mark it to submit. The system will automatically update and move you on to the next card. If we review the next card and decide it isn't suitable to be claimed for, we'll mark it reject. The idea behind the workflow is that a member of staff will work through the for review list, mark each particular case either to submit or reject. Then once they've completed that task, they will move to the to submit list, which they can access easily from this drop-down. Here they will see all the cases that they've marked to submit. Then they can easily use the details from these cards, submit them to the PCRS portal for claiming. If we move back to the for review list, we'll have a look at some of the filters and features. So in the top left hand corner, you'll see we show you the actual number of review cases and the potential value between those particular cases. Here we're looking at both ECGs and ABPMs. If you want to select one or the other, you can easily do so here. If you have multiple GMS doctor panels within the practice, you can select the different panels from this drop down. Or if you want to select a specific time period that you wish to view, you can easily do so with our date range. One element to keep an eye on is with your integrated devices, they will be flagged immediately as soon as the device recording is made. So in this particular scenario, we're in the month of June, and I can see a lot of cases here where we are flagging scenarios in mid-May. Now, given that we're in the early part of June, it means that we haven't yet got paid for all of our cases that were completed in May, even if they were submitted. So what we will do is adjust the date range accordingly. So we'll look at everything maybe from the 1st of January 2022 up to the end of April where we were last paid. So our payments for April came through in mid-May, and hopefully our payments for May will come through in mid-June. So here we can see once the date range is set, it'll show only cases between January and April, making the review process much more efficient. So we won't have to screen through cases where we've already submitted the case and are just waiting for payment. So that's the workflow behind this program. It'll help you easily identify cases where it looks like ECG and ABPM devices have been used on patients, but there doesn't appear to be an equivalent payment. Thank you for your time. We hope this was helpful.